Sometimes I get worried too, but it's okay. Let's take a deep breath together. We can do this!
Do you need to potty?
Let's go check. Don't forget to subscribe! We're almost there, Mom. Wow, this is where I go potty. Oh no, what's next?
Okay, Mikey, let's try using the potty.
Okay, Mommy.
First, pull down your shorts.
Like this?
That's it, Mikey. You're doing great.
Ho, hoo, ha.
I'm so proud of you, Mikey. You can do anything you set your mind to.
Don't forget to wipe. Going to potty was easy. Don't forget to flush. Next, we wash our hands.
I did it! Uh-oh, I feel it in my tummy. Gotta go, before it gets too funny. Run down the hall so fast. Gonna make it to the potty. I'm gonna blast. I did it, I went on the potty today. I did it, hip, 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 hooray. Pull my pants down, sit right down, do my business right. Wipe and flush and wash my hands.
Next, we wash our hands.
I'm doing it right. Climb up on my step stool, I'm a big kid now. Sitting on the potty, gonna show you how. Tummy says it's time and I listen every day. When I gotta go, I know just what
We're
to
almost
say.
there, Mom.
I did it, I went on the potty today. I did it, hip, 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 hooray.